hereby nominate Julius Malema as candidate for election as President of the Republic of South Africa. I thank you very much.
I, Julius Malema, accept the nomination.
Thank you.
This is the journey to One Africa.
Honorable members, we are now at the stage where we have to deal with the election of president. There will now be an opportunity for nominations for President of the Republic of South Africa. Are there any nominations? Honorable member here.
Thank you very much, Chief Justice. My name is Mdumiseni Ntuli, the Chief Whip of the African National Congress, and I hereby nominate Honorable Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa as the President of the Republic of South Africa. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Is there a seconder? Is there a seconder? Somebody must just raise the hand.
DA.
Who in the honorable member there? Okay. Mr. Singh?
It will be Honorable Hlabisa, Chief Justice.
Oh, Honorable Hlabisa.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Justice. I am Velenkosini Hlabisa and hereby second the name of Honorable Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa to be the President of the Republic. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Although the nominee will be required to signify in writing whether he accepts or not, I would like to find out at this stage whether the nominee accepts the nomination. I think he's reluctant.
Chief Justice, I do accept the nomination with pleasure.
Thank you very much. Are there other nominations?
Yes, Chief Justice, right at the back.
Yes. Are there other nominations?
Yes, Chief Justice, I'm already on the floor.
Please go ahead.
I thought my nomination was making you nervous a bit. I, Ngabayomzi Lawrence Saziso Kwangwa, ichawele Zulu zigodlwana zemazendala zingalala endleleni kunyembelekile, hereby nominate Julius Malema as candidate for election as President of the Republic of South Africa. I thank you very much.
Order. Thank you. Is there a seconder for that nomination?
Chief Justice.
Yes.
I, Vuyo Lwethu Zungula, uDosini, uNcwina, uNoyila, uQabashe, into engathi inkosi emntwini ngoba inkosi ngokwayo, I second the nomination.
Thank you very much. Although the nominee will be required to signify in writing if he accepts the nomination, I would like to know at this stage whether the nominee accepts the nomination.
I, Julius Malema, accept the nomination.
Thank you. Thank you.
Josie, stand up.
Mary Julius also decline.
Josie ML.
We will wait for the form.
And as the House now is electing the President, Julius Malema, EFF leader, as well as Cyril Ramaphosa, ANC leader, are the two names that have so far been put forward.
Honourable Speaker, Chief Justice, Mr. President, honourable members and guests. Madam Speaker, I would firstly want to congratulate you on your election. I can assure you of my support, and I wish you strength, courage, and wisdom. This is a tremendous honor and privilege, as well as a great responsibility that has been bestowed on me. This is a position that I do not take lightly, and I fully understand the trust that has been placed in me. I undertake to fulfill my duties with care, commitment, and humility, and to be fair and just, and to do all in my power to do justice to this position. I would like to thank you for your trust that you have placed in me, and I undertake that I will do everything not to disappoint you, and that we will make this 7th Parliament the best Parliament ever, and that we will work for the interest of the people of this country.
The report on the results of the counting of votes for the position of the Deputy Speaker are as follows. Total number of ballot papers issued were 339. 339. Total number of ballot papers counted, 338. The total number of invalid ballot papers were 12, meaning that there were 11 that were spoiled, and there was one which had been issued, and yet it was actually stamped on both sides, and it was therefore not used. I now want to announce who got how many votes. Honorable V. Zumula, 54 votes. Thank you. Honorable Annelie Lautriet, 273 votes. Thank you. On behalf of all present here, I wish to congratulate you on your election, Honorable Lautriet, on your election as Deputy Speaker. You now have the opportunity of addressing the House for a few minutes as an expression of your honor on being elected. You can utilize the podium.